Hey guys, I'm from Kilmola and welcome to my channel. This is part 2 for the face recognition system that we are building so far. And today I'm going to show you how the trainer script looks like. I'm not actually going to write it as a previous video, but I'm going to show you how it looks like. So here it is, trainer script. First, we have to import these libraries. Actually, I'm not going to use NumPy. I don't use it. Oh, there's a one place that I use the NumPy library. So we are going to use these four libraries. After that, we are going to create the constructor. I mean the object for the face recognizer using the OpenCV face library. So cv2.face.lbph face recognizer hyphen create. You guys have I think you guys have already checked some videos out, and they uses this this statement to create the recognizer object, but that's not compatible with the Python 3 above Python 3 point something. So you guys have to be careful at the create suffix or prefix something. And then the second, the path or the folder that we had the database on. And the third, the definition or the method where I have created the get images id method that receives the path. So after receiving the path, image path equals to, this is to join uh, all the images that exist on the to combine all the paths that exist on the database folder. So this combines as an array. So image path is an array. So the second, we have declared IDs and faces to split to put the faces directory and IDs after splitting. So then after for image image pass, im pass in the image pass, it means for every component or for every element in the image pass. So we are going to split it. So paste image is equals to image dot open dot impass. Impass means the element, the files that exist on the dot set folder. Those are our database image. So dot convert dot l. This is to convert it to grayscale. It's actually already been gray, but I think it's mandatory to convert file opening the image. Second, face imp. This is to convert the face img to a numpy array using unit 6. So after that, IDs, we have to extract the ID from the image path name. So we use the os.path.split library. I mean this method. So it takes the image path. So it takes the last. It means called. Let's see it. This is the image name. So from this image name, it takes the from this image name it takes this one. After splitting, there will be one, this one, two, and three components. So after that, it takes this one. It means the ID. It means this is the image number, and this is the ID. So it takes the ID and save it with the name ID. And after that, the face.append, we use the face np to I think this NPI. After converting, we have converted here the face NP. So in order to open it as an image, so we have to convert it to we have to append it. So here we have appended the faces frame. Then we also have appended the ID. Here we have converted the ID. So the third, after that we have shown the face NP, the face NP. Here the face NP is here, and it's been appended and converted to an array in a numpy array. So we have shown this using cv2.imshow. Then after waiting 10 seconds, microseconds, it will return the IDs and faces, and then it will exist within this. So while calling the method, first of all we have there is two return values, so you have to use two variables to receive the return value of the get image with ID method. So here we pass the folder name. Here we have declared the folder name, so here it receives the folder name. So we have passed the folder name to the get image with ID. So after that, the recognizer dot train, we are going to train actually the face to our model. So faces, we are going to train the faces. It means the image, the individual image that we have received so far. It's there in NumPy array as we have appended them. So and NPI IDs, we are converting the IDs to an NPI array. So we are training them, giving these faces and with respective of its IDs. So the first face have an ID of 1, and the second image will have an ID of 2. It means here, okay, we have only one. We have only one face here. I'm actually going to show you after testing this face ID. We are going to add another faces and we're going to test it. But here we have only one ID. After training it, we are going to save the training file in the training data into the recognizer folder, training data.yml. So after that, we close out all the windows that we have. So I have shown you here that the recognizer folder is empty. So here we are going to run it. It's actually going to see, the present, or it's actually going to pop out all the images while looping the for loop, this loop. So let's run it. Here it have finished when training the data. Here as you see, the YML or the trained data is here. Here is the, I think it's 300,000 lines of code. It's a bunch of codes, a bunch of numbers that the machine will actually understand, but it looks like just random numbers generated for people. So here is a 85,016 lines. It's actually a lot, not a lot, comparing with the machine learning or artificial intelligence training data, but a lot comparing to the line of code that we actually run. So I promise you guys that we are going to have a lesson on the introduction to machine learning, linear regressions, multiple linear regressions, and those kind of training, including the k-names and load classification, even image classifications, k-inverse neighbor classifications. There are a lot of algorithms that used for training purpose. I promise I will have video on that. So I think this is it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And this is actually, I think, the first channel, Ethiopian channel, to bring machine learning to people. So I'm actually going to also describe all the scripts that I have built in Amharic in the future video after I finish all the training and recognizer script. So I promise that to you, and please don't forget to support. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.